差會已經服侍咗柬埔寨呢個工場接近30年啦。嚟緊我哋有啲咩方向？我哋點樣嚟到去做交接嘅功夫呢？我哋咧都好想邀請大家嚟到去參與呢一個校園網絡計劃。大家可以聽下喺當中服侍嘅宣教士，同埋我哋喺當中帶領住柬埔寨嘅巡理會嘅會長，佢哋同大家有咩分享？
Hello， 巡理會嘅弟兄姊妹，大家好。喺柬埔寨咧，巡理會差會咧已經係建立咗大學生事工咧超過20年㗎啦。咁我哋咧已經係資助過超過100位嘅大學生畢業生喺而家喺各行各業裏邊咧嚟到為主作見證，同埋咧嚟到喺教會裏邊嚟到去有參與服侍啦，嚟到去建立神嘅國。今年咧我哋係有一共有36位正在受支持嘅大學生咧喺我哋嘅學生宿舍嚟到居住嘅。咁我哋咧都係每星期咧會有牧養嘅時間啦，同佢哋一齊查經啊，一齊祈禱啊，盼望佢哋咧成為被神所用嘅一份子嚇。咁但係我哋嘅宿舍咧其實全部都係租用嘅。將來咧究竟有冇一個長遠嘅考慮咧？係咪可以永遠都租到呢個地方？其實我哋係唔知道㗎。所以現時咧，我哋就係考慮緊做呢一個嘅 CNP 校園網絡計劃。就希望咧喺我哋有嘅空間嘅裏邊咧，可以起一個宿舍同埋加埋教會，所以咧就可以讓到呢一班嘅大學生咧，佢哋可以住埋一齊，亦都唔需要去擔心嗰個住宿嘅穩定性啦，同埋嗰個嘅資源上邊咧，亦都係更加好運用唔需要每一個月咧用好多錢去租地方。如果我哋建成呢個宿舍嘅時候咧，我哋可以有提供到50個宿位俾男生女生一齊嚟到去生活啦。咁我哋就可以有牧者喺當中咧嚟到去牧養佢哋，成為佢哋嘅幫助同埋扶持。咁佢哋得到牧養，亦都咧呢一班嘅大學生係信徒，佢哋亦都可以成為教會嘅領袖，同埋亦都可以一齊咧喺嗰個校園嘅範圍裏邊，或者係佢哋嘅工作讀書嘅範圍裏邊咧嚟到去為主作見證。
仲 Lip Su 弟兄姊妹平安，我係李妙玲，係柬埔寨嘅宣教士。喺超過10年前，我哋咧就同興學會啦，同埋宣教會咧就一齊合辦咗一間加密國際學校。咁好感恩啊！其實而家已經有800幾個學生喺度讀書啦。咁由小學1年級至到中學畢業，有12年嘅時間咧，啲學生可以喺嗰度讀書生活。咁亦都咧，我哋後來啦，大概都有接近10年前啦，就起咗光輝幼稚園。呢一間學校咧，而家大概咧就有200個學生，咁係由我哋嘅 K1 一路至到 K3。大家見到咧，其實我哋個地方係好接近嘅。呢兩間學校咧加埋咧，咁亦都咧真係接近1000個家庭，唔單止係學生。我哋見到嗰個禾場真係非常之大。所以咧，點解我哋會諗喺附近咧需要有一個地方以接觸呢一啲學生嘅目標為本嘅一個教會嚟到去幫助咧呢啲學生可以去喺認識真理啦，可以真係有一個教會裏邊嚟到成長，呢個係我哋嘅一個方向啦。
Hi, I'm Daniel So, serving as the superintendent of the Free Methodist Church in Cambodia. I'm deeply grateful to the Lord and the Free Methodist Church Hong Kong and its partner for the scholarship program over the past 20 years. Hundreds of students from the village have been blessed with the chance to pursue their dream and higher education in Phnom Penh. As one of the alumni, I really grateful and thankful to the Lord for His mercy and kindness. Provide me the scholarship to study both in Bible school and in university. After I graduate, I really grateful to the Lord that He used me to serve the church as a pastor and also used me to use my professional in peace building skill to provide peace building training to the church and to many community across Cambodia. Please consider pray and seeking God's guidance on how you can support and contribute to this campus ministry dormitory building project. Your prayer and support sustain the ministry and provide opportunity for poor students from the village to continue their education in the city. I'm so grateful to the Lord and thank you for standing with us in prayer and generosity. Together we can bring the education opportunity and life transform in Jesus' name to many students in Cambodia. Thank you. May God bless you.
Campus Network Project 校園網絡計劃，大家都聽到啦。我哋唔單止係要起我哋嘅大學生宿舍，我哋更加希望裏邊有教會聚會嘅地方，讓到整個嘅校園網絡能夠建立起嚟，包括由光輝幼稚園到我哋嘅迦密中學，讓我哋喺當中服侍嘅群體，包括佢哋嘅家庭，都能夠有機會去接觸福音。我哋希望透過呢個計劃，亦都建立我哋當中嘅信徒。呢個計劃唔單止係我哋香港嘅弟兄姊妹嚟到一齊參與，仲有我哋邀請咗柬埔寨嘅領袖同埋當地嘅大學生一班校友，我哋都邀請佢哋翻嚟到為着呢個計劃嚟到參與。你亦都可以為到當中嚟到出一分力，一齊去參與呢個計劃。邀請你為到呢個計劃嚟到祈禱，亦都邀請你去到柬埔寨，去到當地去祝福呢一班嘅信徒。